Hi class, today I'm going to be teaching you some handwriting strategies for writing the letters F through J. So here is my piece of paper. I have a top line, I have a dotted middle line, and then I have a bottom line. So for our letter F, we start at the top, we do a straight line down, we frog jump back up to the top, we do a little line on the top and a little line in the middle. That's for our capital F. For our lowercase f, we come down just below the top line, we do a curve up, and then a straight line down, frog jump to the middle, a line across. For our G, for our capital G, we have a magic C, up and over to make our big G. For our little g, we start in the middle, we do a magic C, helicopter up, and then down in the ocean with a fish hook. For our capital H, we do a start at the top, straight line down, frog jump over, straight line down, frog jump to the middle, line across. For our little h, we do a straight line down, helicopter up, and around with a curve. Okay? For our J, we start at the top, we go down to the bottom, give it a curve, jump, frog jump to the top, line across. For our little j, we start in the middle, we go down in the ocean with a fish hook, frog jump back up at the top, and give it a dot. And that is how we write our capitals and lower cases F, G, H, J, and I forgot I. Oh my goodness. Let's do I over here by our H. For our I, we do a straight line down, frog jump to the top, line across, frog jump to the bottom, line on the bottom. For our little I, we find the middle, straight line down, frog jump to the top, dot on the top. And that is how you write your letters F, G, H, I, and J. Stay tuned for more new letters next week. Make sure you form those correctly.